Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build passive income with Zazzle, full guide step by step clearly. Start by creating a Zazzle account. Visit the Zazzle website and click on the sign up button. Fill out the required information, including your email address and password. Once registered, familiarize yourself with the Zazzle interface. Explore the various product categories available for customization. Decide which niche or theme you want to focus on. Conduct market research to identify trending products and designs. Create original designs that resonate with your chosen niche. Use graphic design software or Zazzle's design tools to make your creations. Upload your designs onto Zazzle. Choose products to feature your designs, such as mugs, t-shirts, or posters. Set your royalty rate for each product. Consider competitive pricing but don't undervalue your work. Optimize product descriptions with relevant keywords for better visibility. Promote your Zazzle store through social media and online communities. Utilize platforms like Instagram and Pinterest to showcase your designs. Join affiliate marketing programs to expand your reach. Collaborate with bloggers or influencers who align with your brand. Regularly update your store with fresh designs to attract repeat customers. Monitor your sales and traffic statistics to assess performance. Adjust your strategies based on data insights to maximize income. Engage with your audience through comments and feedback to build community. Stay informed about Zazzle updates and marketing trends to refine your approach. Building passive income with Zazzle takes time and dedication. But with strategic planning, you can create a successful income stream over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.